Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. So in my previous video we did the cutting of this dress, and now in this video we are going to be sewing it following the step-by-step process. Let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to iron gum stay all over the body of the blouse, but when making yours, use a light pad for a thicker texture. Finished ironing the gum stay on the fabric, I'm just going to slit open the dart again, turn it to the back and sew the dart line together. I'll also sew the dart line for the front piece. Now I'm done sewing the dart. This is the back piece and this is the front piece of the blouse. Now I'm going to place my lining on the front piece, sew the neck, sew the sides and sew the down. This is how it looks after sewing now. I turned it to the front and attached the zip at the back piece. So guys, this is the front piece. So I'm going to fold it in two and use a can cover to draw a circle at the neck just like this. Pin it together. Place my finger at the middle of the circle and mark a dot at the other half side of the neck. Turn it and draw a circle. When you open it up, this is the first circles we just drew. I will fold it like this and cut out the circle. After cutting out the circle to form a hole, I will turn it to the back. I'm going to place and sew my bias round the hole. Now after sewing the bias round the hole, I will turn it to the front. Bring the bias to the front and sew on top, just like this. This is the hole on the dress after sewing. Now after folding the sleeve, I'm going to insert my bias into it. At the top of the sleeve, I will draw a gather with my machine. Now I will do the same for the other sleeve. I'm going to place the body of the dress together, sew the shoulder and sew the sides. After sewing the sides of the dress, before attaching the hand, the shoulder is a bit wide. So I will fold the dress into two, measure the shoulder, mark and cut out the armhole again. Now I will attach the hand to the dress, and that is all you have to do to sew this basque waistline top. If you watched to this point, please like the video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.